Hello, I'm Carol Hurst, Fort Worth, Texas, and I'm a Senior Regional Sales Director at this time. I'm working towards being a National Sales Director real shortly. When I came to work for Ameriplan, I hadn't been able to work for 5 years because of a car accident. And that's a horrible thing to think about when you're doing that. But also, they told me I couldn't get any Social Security because I don't have enough points. And so I was out there picking up aluminum cans and doing whatever I had to do for the last 5 years. And when I came here 2.5 years ago, it changed my life. I've been able to buy 2 new cars. I've been able to, when I need something, like my washing machine quit the other day, I just told them to bring one out. Ameriplan has grown and come to a greater and better business than it has ever been. When I came here, I didn't know that much, but it seems now that it's just like double. Anything that you do is double. You're making the best with it because Ameriplan is helping you. They've got all the resources. They have the bonuses. They have everything that you need. And we have the leaders. James Beach is my leader. He helps me do everything that I need to do. All I have to do is ask him, or he tells me, and I'll do it. My team is working towards me being a national because they want me to be on top too. They said this next month I was going to be a national, so I believe them. We also have that Cadillac, and I'm going to get that Cadillac. That's the next thing I'm going to get, and I'm going to be at the 100,000 mark. I know the Ameriplan has helped a lot of people. It's changed people's lives in this nation all over because I've heard people tell me how good it was and how it's helped them. And I know that it's helped me and changed my life forever because like it was, I'd never been able to pay my bills. I'd never been able to do what I'm doing now. You know, buy new cars or be able to just go buy something new whenever I needed it. So I recommend everybody join the wagon and stuff for next year. Thank you.